The second season of Blue Lock, which debuted last year, received a lot of flack for the drop in animation quality from the first season. However, the second season concluded with a series of fantastic episodes, which piqued viewers' curiosity about what the following season would bring. At the Blue Lock Egoist Fest 2025 event, author Muneyuki Kaneshiro shared some information about Blue Lock Season 3 after a protracted wait. The decrease in the second season's quality left everyone wondering about the future of the Blue Lock anime, but author Muneyuki Kaneshiro ignores these concerns. The doubts he expressed at the Blue Lock Egoist Fest 2025 gathering when he announced that Blue Lock Season 3 had officially begun production. As the new, we will have to wait a bit longer to learn the precise release window/date for Blue Lock Season 3 now that it has been established that the season is under development. The new season will be well made, according to author Muneyuki Kaneshiro, because the production crew is giving it their all with their egos in full swing. The Neo Egoist League Arc will be adapted in the upcoming season, as confirmed by manga creator Yusuke Nomura, and viewers may prepare for the premiere of foreign players in the next arc. Along with the revelation of the third season of Blue Lock, it has been stated that a new live-action film of the series is currently being produced. Planned to debut in the summer of 2026, around the time of the 2026 World Cup. The live-action film Blue Lock will be made by Credeus, the firm responsible for Golden Kamuy, Kingdom, and the most recent Sakamoto Live-Action picture. The most recent data also indicates that the Blue Lock manga has achieved a significant milestone with 15 million copies in print. With the addition of new initiatives, the Blue Lock franchise is positioned to take over all platforms. Keep an eye out for further news on the live-action film and the third season in the meanwhile. Do you believe that the third season of Blue Lock will bring the series back to its heyday? Tell us in the comments section below. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned in this channel for latest upcoming updates on this series. And add a bookmark in this channel for further upcoming updates on movies, anime, and web series. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share our channel. And for latest updates, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.